Okay, good morning and welcome to day 6 of the program. So day 6, we're starting the second week. Let's dive right in with 2 cycles of sun salutation. I stand in mountain pose. This is the moment where I calm down, reconnect with what's going to happen next. Close my eyes. Have a few breaths here to calm the body down. And now we can start. Inhale up to upward salute. And exhale down to standing forward fold. Relax the neck, relax the shoulders, let gravity take over. Inhale up to half standing forward fold. And exhale down to chaturanga or belly if you need. Inhale up to cobra. And exhale down into downward dog. We will stay here for 5 breaths. Make sure you're falling on your heels. Make sure your knees are straight and extended. That you are pushing your chest towards your knees and opening up your shoulders. Pushing up on the arms, extending them. Inhale up and take a big step forward into half standing forward fold. And exhale down to standing forward fold. Inhale up to upward salute. And down to mountain. You can stay here for 2 breaths. Inhale up to upward salute. And down to standing forward fold. Inhale up to half standing forward fold. And exhale down to chaturanga. Knees down if you need. Or belly. Inhale up to cobra. Or upward dog. And exhale down into downward dog. 5 breaths. Push on your arms, extend your fingers as wide as possible. Push your butt up to the ceiling. Inhale up and take a big step forward with your left foot into half standing forward fold. And exhale down into standing forward fold. Inhale up to upward salute. And exhale down to mountain. So this is the end of the first cycle. We are going to go for a second cycle. From mountain, I inhale up to upward salute. And exhale down to standing forward fold. Inhale up to half standing forward fold. And exhale down all the way down to chaturanga or belly. Inhale up to cobra or upward dog, depending on what you can do. And inhale and exhale down into downward dog. Fall on your heels, knees extended, hips trying to reach the ceiling. Open your shoulders by pushing your chest towards your knees. Look at your own navel. And after 5 breaths, we are going to inhale and take a big step forward with the right foot into half standing forward fold. Exhale down, standing forward fold. Inhale up to upward salute. And exhale down into mountain. Catch your breath if you need. And now that everybody is in mountain again, inhale up to upward salute. And exhale down to standing forward fold. Inhale up to half standing forward fold. And down all the way to chaturanga
or belly. Inhale up to cobra and exhale down into downward dog.
5 breaths. Inhale up and take a big step forward with your right foot into half standing forward fold. Exhale down, standing forward fold.
Inhale up to upward salute and down to mountain. Catch your breath, inhale a few times, breathe 5 to 10 times. And now we're going to go into the next exercise, which is the tree. So I stand on my left foot, lift my right foot into knee position, engage the abs, make sure the pelvis is rotated backwards, and the upper opening, protect your lower back, and you're going to stay there between 5 to 10 breaths. Pelvis is perpendicular to the, pelvis is perpendicular to the foot, and you try to open the hip. Hands in tree position, or in hip position, or in prayer position. We're going to go to the other foot. Pelvis perpendicular to the foot. We don't open, we don't close the pelvis. And for 5 breaths, I'm going to try to open my hip as much as possible. Four and 5. Okay, we continue the warm-up with shoulder rolls. Few positions. This one here, shoulder rolls, or with the arms and the hand clasped behind the neck, and we can roll like that too. So that's 1, 2, forward, backward, forward, and backward. Keep opening. As you go forward, the head goes forward, backward, you open the shoulders, and the neck goes backward as well. Okay. We follow that with the standing cats and dogs. Feet parallel. Starting in a squat position, put my hands on my knees. Inhale, head back, exhale, head forward. Arms extended. And then you can start looking to the left, looking to the right, and try to get as much movement and side bending movement in the spine as much as flexion and extension. So we are trying to give some mobility into all 360 degrees of the spine in this position. Okay, so warm-up is over. Now we're going to start with the workout. I've got 3 exercises for you today. The side bend, and then 2 new exercises, push-up and swimming. So side bend, we know already. Hand facing head side, hand on the knee, and I'm going to push my pelvis forward first. Once I've got that position, and only if I do get that position, can I go for 5, 1 side bends, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change side. Forward leg straight, backward leg bent. Push my pelvis forward, and 5 side bends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Next exercise is the push-up. So as a new exercise, you can look at the specific video on the exercise where I go in depth into what the push-up is. Here I assume you see it. So push-up, let's start with knee push-up. So I start in plank position, bring my knees down, cross my feet, push my butt up, and go for 5 knee push-ups. You can of course go for full push-up if you can. Okay. Third exercise, it's going to be a posterior chain strength exercise and back extension in a way. That will be challenging for some, but as you can go and look at the specific video for progressions up and down. So I'm standing prone on the floor, pull the shoulders up, pull the arms up, and start swimming. Anything for 30 to 40 seconds, or 10 breaths. Yeah. And we're done with the swimming. So that's the end of the first set, and we're going to finish it with a rotonda. So I start with my butterfly. After the butterfly, I go into seated. And now is the time to catch your breath back. So the rotunda, you do it only at the end. I would recommend that you do the same workout, so starting from the shoulder rolls all the way to swimming, and that you do that 3 times. It's all on the PDF that goes with the video. So it's basically shoulder rolls, standing cats and dogs, side bend, push up, swimming. That you do 3 times. You start with the sun salutation and the tree routine once, and then you finish with the rotunda at the end of your 3 sets. Okay, hold on to the top one, extend the lower one, rotate towards the leg is slightly internally rotated, like that. Push your lower back up and just rest in that position. If that is comfortable for you, then you can start bending forward and going to a fold, leading with the chest, never with the nose. Hold on to the bent leg, come here, back, around the other leg, and cross and hold. Drop your buttocks. Let go of the knee, let it rotate onto your other knee, and you find yourself into square. Give it a little bit of shaking. Don't push anything. This is a slow process, week after week, days after days. Let go of your leg and glide it back into seated position. Hold on to the top leg, extend the bottom one. Internal rotation of the leg. If you're comfortable with that, you can go forward a little bit into a fold. If not, just a twist is sufficient. Come around the other knee, and cross elbows onto your opposite knee. And let go of the knee into square. Glide your leg back into seated and finish with a butterfly fold. Do the rotunda as much as needed. You can do the whole cycle once, twice, 3 times, do it in the evening. Well, there you are. So do your set a few times today and see you tomorrow for day 7. Okay? Have a great day.